In this video, I'm going to show you how to change cover photo on Instagram Reel even after posting a Reel. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then let's hit right here at profile picture to open up profile page. Here I got a reel and I published it a long time ago, and on its example I'll show you how I can easily change cover for the reel. All I have to do is just hit there once, then tap at three dots icon and then tap on edit. On that page I can hit right there at cover. And there first I can move my finger along this video row, and now in that way I can select specific frame for that video cover. I can set this one and then hit on done. And also there I can tap on cover again and hit on add from camera roll to add a specific image for that reel's cover. So I can just select that one image and then hit on done to set this image as a cover. Now I can tap on done, and here if I go back to my profile and refresh the page, I got this image set as cover for that reel. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.